Okay, folks, welcome back. Here we are. Let's talk about trend line, drawing the trend lines first of all. How do we draw a trend line? The trend line is, can you see the reason I will take you, this is a 1 day candle, right? Now this candle here, 1 minute, bear with me. There you go. Let me grab the pen. And this candle here is, every candle is a daily candle, right? Now, I drew the daily candles and I do my analysis. I drew a line, which is a trend line, which you will see, just want to see, it has to touch mostly the candles shadows. The maximum shadows touching the line gives me idea how to draw it. Let me take you back to the chart in the past. Then I will show you how I drew these lines. There you go. Now, just be patient with me because it's not easy to draw these. It's not easy to explain. I want you to understand fully what I'm trying to say here. Okay. I picked these 2 points up from here to there. Now here at the back, we are in, I'll tell you where we are. We are in 2011, 25th of November 2011 until today, or until May of 2020. Let's call it that way. So it's nearly 9 years plus of 9 years chart. So I saw a couple of height there, the maximum. There you go. And I picked that one and I picked all these. Can you see these shadows? They're touching the line. The reason I picked that is to draw the trend. Then see, this is all the past in last 10 years, 9 years, that what has happened here. So I picked the top of these tips and I drew a line all the way back until today. And then secondly, I picked these ones here, as you can see the tops of these, and then I drew another line all the way back. Now this is really 10 years ago. This is not right now, yeah? So then I picked up another ones, and look, the maximum shadows I can find who can touch my line, right? I drew that so I can come and predict what will happen in the future. So let's come back to today now. There you go. Can you see these here as well? Let me, another way. See, another one. See this one here? See here? See how it's actually coming, what we actually checked in the past, that this become a support line and that's become a resistance line, right? In the trend line, yeah? So the price started from here, even if you go and then it went up, came back, went up again, and it hasn't broken our trend line yet from so many years coming down. It's staying below it. Even until now. Now, at the moment, yeah, see this second line, the support line, it says how strong it is, it's been holding. But as soon as it was broken, then the market stayed below this for a while. When was that? Let's have a look. Now, this trend line, which has been coming up all the way from past 9 years, basically, yeah, is coming until today, like these days. But you see, it's been holding the price. Like here, look how nicely the support line was holding the price. But as soon as the support line was broken, then it became a resistance line here. So the price stayed below it. See, this is daily candle. When the price stayed below it, like here, until the price was broken. It broke the trend line here. It broke the resistance line here, and then the price, as you can see, stayed above it all the way. It came down again, but it still stayed above it. You're holding it very, very nicely. This is what we call trend line, support line. This is support. This is resistance, yeah? So the price movement between these two lines, this is where people normally trade. And when they say the trend line has been broken, either it's gone below it like this one here, or it's gone above it like this one here. So now the third one is right at the bottom, this one here, which was actually broken. But as you can see, the price did bounce back a few times from here as well. As soon as it went down, right, then it stayed below it for 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Fourth day, it broke it again and then came up. This is the fourth day. And as soon as it broke it, it came back and it's still holding it here, which is telling me the price is actually an uptrend right now, and the price is above this line. So I'm hoping that it will carry on. I'm hoping that it will carry on. Let me draw another to make sure that you understand what I'm saying is, let's see this one here. There you go. Now I'm hoping the price, if this goes up, like I'm saying, then it should move up like this. Like this, do you understand? Hoping that it will stay, or if it breaks it, even here, then basically it will move up above this line. And it probably make a triangle if it goes up. That's a different topic. We'll talk about that later on. But now, as I'm trying to say, if these trend lines are built, we predict the future, but we study the past. So let me go back and I will show you again, once again, how I draw these trend line. I went 10 years in the past. I picked up the highest levels of the price. Even you can see, look here, look, 10 years back. And this is how I draw them. I picked 3 lines, 2 and 3, just touching the shadows of the shadows mean the lowest price. You cannot get 100%. You will obviously get places where the line will be a little hairy, you know, like let me say here, like this is a little hairy, yeah. You're not going to get 100%. Maximum. I would say maximum. If you can find maximum, like, no, there's no maximum. I mean, the minimum of like 10 in 10 years, 10 support levels like this, 10 hairy levels, either coming from above or going from bottom, yeah? The price either coming low or coming high from the next line, that it should match here. Look, like this one, like this one, like this one, like this one. How many the lows are there? Like this one here, little hairy, but it's not too bad. And if we go back again, here, and here, see this one here again, see this one here again. This must be a data or some news came out when I told you in my last lesson. Then when the data comes out, the price goes mad. Then there is no line which can hold nothing. So like this is a good one here. Then above here, look, there loads of time is here and then here again. So this is how the price was holding, and I was drawing the lines. See, and this is until today, or the latest one. And good look how good these lines are. Like I explained to you before, like here again, and then here again, is staying below it, or is staying above it. See how many trades you can do here? You can imagine this is a daily line, one day. If the price is going up and down in one day, then obviously you can change a lot of things here. You can study and you can pick up a trade. And then also you can change that to a lower time frame, like a daily basis, hourly basis. And these lines, you will see they might not work in the hourly, but they are working a daily. But some places they are still quite good. Like once again, yeah, that's not too bad actually. Look, like here again, it stayed below that. That's a breaking point again. This was a breaking point again here. Look. So on the hourly basis, the long-term lines don't work, but you have to draw your own line again on a 4-hour chart or a 1-hour chart, whatever is your trading style. And for more information, wait for my other videos, watch them, and I hope that you will learn a lot. Thanks very much for now. This is for today. Have a lovely day.